Hasta la vista, hasta mañana. We bossin' up nigga Tony Montana. We killin' these niggas Colombiana. For the love of the money, almighty dollar. Shout out my niggas, them niggas shot us. For the love of the money, almighty dollar. Shout out my bitches, them hoes is proper. For the love of the money, almighty dollars.
You won't see tomorrow, won't get no closer. Your head in the bathtub, your chest on the sofa. Please don't test that toaster, try and it's over. My real name be Tony, but kill shit like Sosa. Alejandro blow, chainsaw go loco. Mil more dinero, going broke's a no-no. Blow draw with Frankie, killer past that fofo. Rip push that photo, and Zach hit the torso.
For the love of the money, almighty dollars. Shout out my bitches, them hoes is proper. For the love of the money, almighty dollars. For the love of the money, almighty dollars.
Colombiana, more ganja, more pasta. Them hoes stay extra flocka. Fuck on my team, you get it, eat it faster. Hoes stay on my shit, what? Hold up, nigga, can we roll up? Got money, baby, pull up. Tell them that I'm Frank Lucas, so I put Tony on.
Hasta la vista, hasta mañana. We bossin' up nigga Tony Montana. We killin' these niggas Colombiana. For the love of the money, almighty dollars.
For the love of the money, we bossin' up Tony, the one and the only. I'm the rock you jabroni, no faking, no fraud, no pulling my card. That fire to flame, from the ashes we came. Cartel is the name, the top is the aim. We staking the claim, get highest regard. Reach it so broad, no weakness, no broad. De Niro the guard, 30 seconds the law. Go get the heat off, my swag is my sauce. I'm cut from the cloth that Gotti would wear. My jury it gloss, don't matter the cost. No dentist I floss, with my team I won't cross. Frank you the homie, Shy you the homie, Zach you the homie, Killer you fam. Whole world get body, you fuck with my team. We chase the American dream, Hakeem.
For the love of the money, almighty dollars. Shout out my bitches, them hoes is proper. For the love of the money, almighty dollars. For the love of the money, almighty dollars.
Cash rules the world, I'm just trying to get my piece. Bossin' on these niggas, cause we the cartel. Feast, beast, we be on. I just want my green, long them peons we pee on. I'm in a new whip with no chrome, smoking on that Keisha, and we call that shit amnesia. I won't heat them with no Nina, cause I be all about my business. I got no time for them fake niggas, claiming that they chase niggas, but they the ones who getting chased, nigga. We bang hard, straight face, nigga. Body rock to that body fly, stand back with that body drop. Leave fast we go, cause don't nobody out here talk cops. I lean back like Montana, crew over here trying to take over. We just want the world, everything in it won't stop till we get it, get it.
Hasta la vista, hasta mañana. We bossin' up nigga Tony Montana. We killin' these niggas Colombiana. For the love of the money, almighty dollars.
Hasta mañana, my diamonds is shining. I'm writing the shit and the music stay coming. Never give a fuck about a hater, what he had to say. Tell a motherfucking hater, get the fuck up on my face. Please don't make me put you in your motherfucking place. And if you hating on me, then it must be the race. Cause I'm better than you with this rapping shit. You better than me at that yapping shit. Tony Montana better get the clapping quick. I'm better than the best, I'm not an average. On the motherfucking beat, I give me savage. Put you in your place, I am about that action. On the beat strong, I'm a different person. Putting in work, I'm a goddamn beast. Born in the south, on the map, that's the east. Georgia where I'm at, so I'm always spitting heat. Zach.